So 7 years में you did, in 7 years you guys went from zero to $15 million in annual recurring
Yep.
revenue, and from zero to 140 people,
0 to 140 people.
160
Yeah,
people.
3 to 140 people.
That's phenomenal,
Three
yaar.
fifty.
मतलब, that is a
Um,
phenomenal story.
sort of. Not maybe, not maybe where we could be, but yeah. Now we are like, I think now is the time came. We are very seriously taking, you know, we're very seriously planning to take funds. Enough of being bootstrapped now. Though this is the only time in the journey where we have so much money we can invest on anywhere. And again, the quality of people we have and the sort of people we work with in terms of consultancy, in terms of even full time sometimes as well, they're really really good. But जहाँ पे हम अब compete कर रहे हैं, that is becoming like very intense now.
Right.
So जिस company से हम compete करते हैं, they either they exit. So one of the company that we recently we were trying to compete, we were not really focused on that time 1.5 years back on web, imagine or web के ऊपर dedicatedly we were not focused. That was acquired by Canva $250 million के अंदर. Then we were like, let's just leave it. Last year we started working entirely on Imagine desktop, like the web version. क्योंकि again जब आप SaaS का एक प्रोडक्ट बनाते हो उसके डायनामिक्स ही बहुत डिफरेंट है. Like entire dynamics, like you have 13 departments, and to make sure every department is exceptional, it's very tough. So but हमने last year focus start किया, and we were competing head to head with a company called Kriya, SF. Recently they raised a total of $89 million at a post money valuation of 500
ठीक है.
just few days back. And we went on to realize and now we are one of the last players in the market. Like अभी market
Last private players.
yes 2-3 रह चुके हैं, 2 रह चुके हैं, 3 चलें, अभी एक नया है. We were just checking yesterday in office. उसने भी $10 million raise किया. But in any way हमें realize हो गया कि यार we have done enough, very enough, I would say, like the best we could. So what we have been working on is going to be live inshallah in the next 8 weeks. So what we have planned is like OpenAI does, every week we'll be doing a major release of the thing that we have been working on the last 6 months practically. So but we will be seriously pursuing inshallah, raising funds, or if we do so, I think we would, few years will be unicorn easy inshallah. We didn't raise funds. We tried raising a lot. Start में इतना हमने try किया. We I think met with everyone, Zia Chishti, Affinity, even Yasir, RBSoft. लेकिन चले ये तो funding perspective से नहीं, लेकिन almost everyone. But we went to realize कि यार जो हम कर रहे हैं और जो यूजुअली पाकिस्तान में इन्वेस्टर बैठे, ज़मीन आसमान का फ़र्क है. उनको डिजिटल, क्योंकि मोबाइल में तो मोबाइल में गेम बहुत इन्वर्स है. मोबाइल इज़ अ मार्केटिंग प्लेटफॉर्म ओनली. लाइक यू जस्ट हैव टू स्पेंड. You'll have to even spend on 0.5 ROAS or maybe 0.4 ROAS, and then like you play on predicted ROI. So अब उस गेम में सिर्फ 2 कंट्रीज अच्छे हैं, इसराइल और ये टर्की. इनकी कंपनीज लाइक दे आर मैसिव. अब वो बिजनेस मॉडल किसी को समझाना इम्पॉसिबल है, बिकॉज दे वॉन्ट बी एबल टू रैप देयर हेड अराउंड कि यार एक प्रोडक्ट है, यू इन्वेस्ट $1 million in marketing over a month, after an year you'll expect maybe 1.2 ROI, and the store will give you some organic. But we couldn't do it before. Now this time when we know here we are to raise funds, we have I'm sure you would know about Disrupt as well. Disrupt jo bhi Giritech, in discussion with them. Our goal is top USVC, Andreessen या Sequoia, क्योंकि Andreessen has multiple time featured us as one of the top apps in the market. But yeah, the goal is now inshallah few months, 4-5 months के अंदर we'll be closing around inshallah. As if no plan changes, because usually Viro में plan बहुत changes होते हैं. लेकिन now we're planning to go to make this the product compete with big players. Or obviously how we're doing it, I think my most important point, like my expertise are usually in how to create products, because पाकिस्तान से बनता कभी भी नहीं है कोई product, मतलब बहुत कम बनता है. Maybe I'm not too in the market, but I think how to create products that has a really good either product market PMF score आप ले लें, या example in general you're innovating in the market. I think that is worth something that I'm a bit expertised in. Can also talk about GTM. GTM उसी में आता है कि यार आप how do you want to position yourself. आपने GTM question पूछा, how do you want to position yourself in the market. That is like one part of it, right? And then how do you go around doing that? हमारे केस में प्रॉब्लम है कि like the market that we are operating in generative AI, it's like very difficult to have a certain perspective for too long because things are changing so rapidly that you just have to focus on shipping. And then eventually your product starts to make a sense कि यार अच्छा, this is where we want to be established. But as soon as you have a goal, some player will already be doing that. And they'll be doing that with millions at the back, right? So, but again, अभी जो Gen AI का time चल रहा है जिस market में हम इस time पे हैं वो यही है कि users have to focus on what the customers are saying and you should be very quick to ship it. And as much things you ship to the customers, or obviously making sure the platform makes total sense to them, that's our core goal right now. Usme, the direction we are trying to head toward is very clear. It's like we're becoming Adobe for the Gen AI era. Clear. Uske andar what Imagine Art offers is like range of studios. Each studio is dedicated for some modality, like images, videos. These are too live, but very soon, inshallah, in the next few weeks that we're launching, we are introducing music, audio, which is voice, vectors as well. Like we're trying to make everything that was possible before with Adobe softwares, with a lot of expertise, we're trying to make it all possible with just text prompts. For example, if you wanted to generate icons or like some sort of vectors on Illustrator, now you can do it with hopefully very soon our Vector Studio. उसके अंदर छोटे छोटे मॉडल्स ट्रेंड होंगे फॉर स्पेसिफिक यूज केसेस, आइकन्स, लोगोज, टी शर्ट्स, जो भी प्रिंट हो सकता
तो
है.
जिस दिन ओपन एआई का इमेज जन आया, that would have been a very rough night for you.
Not a rough
नहीं?
night. A bit, but we went on to realize that was always the case. Like DALL-E 3 was very good when it was launched initially. Then open source technologies came up and competed with that. I think the good thing about Imagine is like last 7-8 months के बाद पीछे से हमने उसको टेक्नोलॉजीज को कम करके वी स्टार्टेड मेकिंग इट मोर ऑफ अ प्रोडक्ट. तो इतना फ़र्क पड़ता नहीं, अब नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता था. और ना ही लाइक OpenAI जिस मार्केट में वो ऑपरेट करता है वो बहुत ऊपर मार्केट है. इवन इफ यूर अ यूनिकॉर्न यू वुड बी जस्ट getting their 2%, 3% market.
Yeah.
Because they're on $300 billion, right? So for us, doesn't really matter. हाँ मैटर करता है उस यूज़र के लिए जो $15-20 per month पे करता है, वो GPT पे चला जाएगा for 20. Our customers pay up to $120 a month as well, right? अब those professional users need a lot of things like which GPT would never ever give, even like Adobe won't give. And I think that's where you have to have deep expertise into product and analyze care. आपने उस कस्टमर का प्रॉब्लम को कितने अच्छे तरीके से सॉल्व करना है. अब आप सॉल्व उसी तरीके से कर सकते हो कि जब आप उस डोमेन में रह रहे हो. द ग्रेट थिंग अबाउट वायरो इज़ कि हमने 7 years से हमने लाइक द टाइम वी स्टार्टेड विच वॉज लाइक द कंपनी वॉज स्टार्टेड इन व्हेन वी वर इन 3rd semester. उस टाइम से हमने स्टार्ट किया ही फोटो एडिटिंग से था बिकॉज वी लव दैट फील्ड. और 7-8 years हमने जितनी प्रोडक्ट्स बनाई हैं मोस्टली वो सारी कॉन्टेंट जनरेशन और कॉन्टेंट एडिटिंग के अंदर है. सो वी हैव डीप एक्सपर्टीज एंड पैशन फॉर दैट. अब वो जब चीज़ आप 7-8 years की आते हो मोबाइल का एक्सपीरियंस लेके, इवन वी वर मेंशन्ड एज टॉप 46 पब्लिशर इन द वर्ल्ड. उसमें पूरे 50 में पाकिस्तानी कंपनी थी और एडोबी वाज 47th, राइट, मोबाइल के ऊपर. सो वी हैव अ प्रीटी डीप फुटप्रिंट ऑन मोबाइल. दैट डिडंट वेंट वेरी वेल क्योंकि अगेन दोज प्रोडक्ट्स वर वेरी एडवांस इन नेचर एंड अगेन वो उस तरह चलता नहीं. लेकिन उस सब एक्सपर्टीज़ को जब आप वेब पे डालते हो एंड कंबाइंड विद द गोल ऑफ मेकिंग इट अ स्केलेबल प्लेटफॉर्म लाइक फिग्मा, मीरो, एडोबी, that's where we see the future. And incredible thing is again Imagine is being loved by lots and lots of people. We were trying to check here hamara Imagine Art is being used where. We got 75% of Fortune 500 companies, people from those companies, like not companies directly but people from those companies are using Imagine Art, which is even a LinkedIn team got on a call with us because their product design team thinks that this is a great tool for them. We couldn't go forward because of again certain reasons, but again I think what we are able to do is trying to create a software that is decent right now, but that is being loved by a lot of people.
So how many monthly active users do you have right now? हम Imagine Art की बात कर रहे हैं.
22.5 million
MAUs.
MAU.
And you've got a freemium model?
We got a freemium, and we are I think we are the most freemium product ever. Like
Right. So the free tier is very generous.
very generous, very
अच्छा
generous.
ठीक
Yeah.
है सही
Both
है
on mobile, both on web as well.
you have 22 million users उसमें से like and then how many paying users do you have
In total, I think we would have 15,000 to 16,000.
that's phenomenal
Yeah, that's churn is
ठीक है।
there. Definitely, churn is there.
obviously
Generative image churn is there. Now again, our goal is not. We're trying to target towards SMEs very soon, inshallah. And we're building dedicated solutions for companies. We have onboarded a company called Package Systems from India, like one of the biggest pharmaceuticals firms from India, like maybe 10,000 plus employees. We've just closed them in, and we are seeing here there's a big demand from enterprises. Even if you keep enterprises separate, right? Consider कि यार वो कोई और company आके solve करेगी, but SMEs में there's a big place. And within 2 months, inshallah, हमारी release expected है where you'll be able to invite your teams, collaborate like Figma within Imagine Art. And once that happens, I think we expect our retention, and the thing that we're doing in parallel to make sure that the companies come to Imagine Art, it's like that's another story. But when that happens, inshallah, we're expecting very good retentions, and we're expecting that people would be able to collaborate within Imagine Art teams of all sizes. उसके अंदर सबसे अच्छी चीज़ ये है कि मीडिया कंपनी के अंदर you need always visual designers होते हैं, motion designers होते हैं, voice designers होते हैं, managers होते हैं. How can you create a system where everyone can collaborate on a platform? क्योंकि अभी कोई कर नहीं रहा इस तरह का काम. We've been thinking about it for quite some time now, and hopefully, inshallah, in this year, next year, we'll start to emerge more as a platform. And I think that's where when we do so, और सबसे अच्छी चीज़ है कि हमारी जो funnel is like very good, because 7 years we have been doing PPC. We know Google very well. We are, I think, one of the highest spenders of Google in the country. So we know about how to get a bunch of customers, segment them very well. Take some customers, give them $15 plan, like if they don't really want to use the platform to a level, and उसी stream के अंदर we get a lot of big consumers, right? या जो prosumers कह सकते हैं, सहज मतलब prosumer का word ज़्यादा use होता है, जिसका maybe LTV is per month अगर मैं कहूँ $60 plus. So उस stream में वो $60 plus customer भी आता है, and it's about you how you can turn those $60 plus worth of users to a retained customer, and how can you upsell them by making a product so good that they really want to use more features. And once they
or making it collaborative so that they want to have your team members
I think
in
collaboration right now is a basic need.
Well,
it's a basic need,
that's
right?
table stakes, right?
That's the most basic thing. The most difficult thing is how do you make collaboration happen in GenAI? Like that's very difficult because अब वीडियो पूरी वीडियो का प्लेटफॉर्म इज़ लाइक जो पूरी मैसिव लेवल पे एडिटिंग प्रीमियर प्रो पे होती है, राइट? अब वो कोलैबोरेटिव ज़ीरो है, राइट? इस टाइम एडोबी के ऑलमोस्ट सारे सॉफ्टवेयर कोलैबोरेशन में ज़ीरो है. बट विद जेनएआई वीडियो जनरेशन जो इस टाइम पे हो रही है वो ज़्यादातर बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़फुल उस तरह नहीं है. वो ज़्यादातर क्लिप्स हो गए, ठीक है, आपने कोई हिस्ट्री की इमेज को बना के एनिमेट कर दिया. Then you have to make sure कि whatever your like images के केस में, I think the great thing about images, like our image studio which is Imagine एक फीचर है, is कि उससे आपका जो प्रोडक्शन रेडी एसेट है वो बहुत करीब हो चुका है. Like you're able to do production ready asset. Images के केस में फिर भी possible है. Videos के केस में I think that's still a problem. Like,
but that's just one leap away from radical improvement in the foundational models, right?
There will be.
Very soon there will be an
soon.
open source model that does that leap, and then you'll be right there.
Hopefully. I still don't think it would be right there क्योंकि videos like composition of video is very difficult. Images में फिर भी layers का एक output आता है, एक static frame है. Video is like composed of those frames over a larger frame. And usually vectors, उसके बीच में effects, बहुत सारी चीज़ें चल रही होती हैं. तो एक end-to-end video बनाना I think would be always, and I think that's where one of our interesting thing that we wanted to do from quite some time, we have already done it, is कि हमें realize हो गया था कि so we have categorized Imagine into different dimensions. So there are raw studios. Raw studio means कि you can generate any type of a video example. आपने video generate करनी है about portraits, about maybe your products or something, right? उसका चरण हमेशा रहेगा क्योंकि for a normal person to generate a suitable video, it's very difficult. We're trying to make it better, but again, it's very difficult. So we went on to realize that there are a lot of companies who have a dedicated use case. So we have just shipped a solution which is called Shorts. What it does is it lets you create entire videos, like 2 minutes video with just a single text prompt,
ठीक है.
and targeted specifically towards social media creators. अब imagine क्या चीज़ ये कि again we have a bunch of stream of users, a lot of stream of users. उसके अंदर हर किस्म के यूज़र आ रहे हैं. Even e-commerce के भी आ रहे हैं, marketers भी आ रहे हैं, interior designers आ रहे हैं, बहुत सारे use cases आ रहे हैं. And then what we do is we give them raw solutions, like you can go and generate any images if you want, right? But again we know कि यार उस use case के लिए उसको बनाने के लिए it would be very difficult for them to do so. So what we do is we are introducing solutions. And solutions की सबसे चीज़ ये है कि they'll have a very defined ICP. Because if you don't have a defined ICP, you'll always struggle with churn because you don't even know कि यार किसका मैं churn measure करूँ, किस segment का churn measure करूँ, क्योंकि user हर किस्म का आ रहा है generative way में. अब if I ask you कि ChatGPT की target market क्या है, you'd say like everyone is using it, right?
Yeah.
And that breaks the fundamentals of I think the product principle होता है ना कि you have to target one market. So I mean ये realize हुआ कि यार we have to split. We have to introduce new solutions that target specific customers with specific needs, and we will go to every end. And now what we are trying to do is we're trying to give them such a easy way कि अगर example लें, अगर एक social media creator है, example if they're creating a YouTube channel or Instagram, right? They struggle with time because mostly of them are doing some full-time jobs. So we're like the final version of that would be a calendar where you can just go and schedule and just write prompts about what you want to create. Schedule it up. Monday को 3 videos, Tuesday को 3, Wednesday को 3, 4, 5, and you just run it up. And every week it will just see कि आपने क्या क्या prompts with all the settings that you have. It will automatically create videos, publish to YouTube every day that you won't even have to go and upload to YouTube yourself. And we're seeing huge growth there. So it's just like that's what Adobe did, literally. So they have a lot of things that we use as $80, $90 but they have a lot of enterprise softwares. जिस तरह भी उन्होंने recently launched किया Gen Studio, which is purely for marketing companies. क्या marketing companies क्या कर सकती हैं कि they can generate Meta या TikTok के advertisements in a very scalable way. Like पहले का process of creating Meta ads.
hyper narrow ICPs के ऊपर बिल्कुल contextual
Yes, but
ads करके.
with generative AI, they've made it so fast. सर अगर आप क्योंकि since हमने Meta पे बहुत काम किया, we know कि यार it is very difficult and you have to create a lot of creatives. So now they're like so, but Adobe का एक बहुत बड़ा wing है which is enterprise. They create solutions for enterprises which is not available for people like us, like normal companies. वो दे देते हैं उनको and they like do heavy contracts with them. So, but again, yeah, I think this is the overall landscape as a company, as a product we are operating in.
ठीक है. So fundamentally, Imagine is a collaborative content creation tool for SMEs and enterprises, which will have very narrow use cases for different industries. Correct?
I would categorize that as
How do you define?
yeah, but I think our target market is not enterprises. We're not enterprise grade software. We're not for individual creators plus SMEs. Like that's the market that we want to be in.
Right, and essentially like those SMEs might be serving those enterprises. So essentially,
Yes, potentially.
एक hop पे you become kind of like their customer.
बिल्कुल, but
They
not
become
direct
customer. हाँ, ठीक
enterprises.
है,
That's
सही
an entire different story.
है. बिल्कुल ठीक है. All right. So yeah, so ठीक है. Okay. And what are you up against? इस वक्त दुनिया में इस space में कौन-कौन से लोग हैं? Like Adobe and all that jazz. वो तो चलो
हाँ.
ठीक है ना, they're the big fish and everything,
Yes.
right? So but comparable companies that you have, sorry, उससे पहले, is more than 70% of all of this tech built in Pakistan?
Everything is being built in on-site in Pakistan, almost. Everything.
In your Islamabad office?
In Islam, yeah, everything.
अच्छा.
Everything.
Great. And all of this is like your proprietary models, उनके अंदर ही सारा
Not
कुछ चल रहा है
proprietary
या
models.
फिर
Yeah.
you're leveraging foundational models and kind of fine tuning them या जैसे मर्जी कर रहे हो?
Yep, that's the way.
अच्छा, ठीक
We
है.
take up the phone. We have took a big risk. We are still taking it very soon now, but we took a risk of training a foundational model. We spent I think more than $100,000 on a team. We hired a team purely international, different from parts of the world: India, Iran, US. Lead was in US. We spent 1.2 years training our foundational model, and we went on to realize how difficult that is.
Yeah.
But right now, I think if I would say we work with open source models, or maybe models that requires a commercial license, we directly do partnership with them. and then we host it on our own infrastructure.
ठीक है.
The reason why we are so generous is because Viro के सबसे I think I would say good चीज़ यही है कि we do everything ourselves. So we don't outsource. We are not a company that relies on anyone outside. And then even on inside, we went on to realize जब हमने initially Imagine launch किया था, we went on to $150,000 per month of server cost. उस time we realized, and that was on GCP. So उस time we realized we cannot be on AWS or GCP. So we have to build our own hardware infrastructure from ground up.
अच्छा, तो वो कहाँ पे है? Bare metal
That
servers
is in
कहाँ पे?
US. That is in US. Yeah.
अच्छा.
That is in US. So we like over the year we built deep connection with data centers, like deep connection with data centers. So we don't manage them directly physical level पे. That is the data center's responsibility, but we manage the whole Kubernetes infrastructure. And that gives us like so of a leverage ke we have cut the cost too much. And I think that's what being bootstrap makes you, that you have to make sure that everything that you're doing
हाँ,
is
you
so
cut the
cost
fat.
effective.
You
have to just,
हाँ,
you have
you
to,
be
you have to.
nimble.
But the problem is, but you cannot make the quality, you cannot make the quality service ki quality bad. You cannot do that. And I think we are one of the fastest services in the world right now. Fastest in the world. Better than Midjourney, better than Leonardo, I would say, comparable to Kriya. And they're doing potentially the same to us, but yeah. But everything that we do is all done internally. We have got a very great software engineering team. We are a company that invests a lot in software, like a lot in software. Again, being a CTO, graduated from software, being a machine learning engineer myself, we invest a lot on making things. So one of the interesting example I would say is that for like 5-6 years we have been doing iOS development separately and Android development separately, and we have been facing a lot of productivity issues. एक तो iOS का बंदा ढूंढना पाकिस्तान में वैसे impossible है. पाकिस्तान में वैसे टैलेंट की कमी आई है, iOS उसमें बहुत ही नादिर है. We struggled a lot with creating quality iOS apps. So from the last 2 years we have been struggling to find a way, but Flutter we cannot go because it destroys the user experience. It's like so laggy, and like again we are like pretty cautious about that. So on my just way, I think we have launched a very successful product over KMM, which is like beta version of so KMM is like Kotlin multi-platform. वो होता है कि you write in Kotlin Android side पे, Android तो directly ship हो जाता है Google पे, ये Android पे चल जाता है. What was possible beforehand, which we did, was कि आप उन Kotlin की libraries को native iOS में compile करके आप iOS में directly use कर सकते हो. But now what we have done is we have totally replaced iOS. So the whole design UI is being done in Material, which is Jetpack Compose. And now potentially I think we would be one of the production companies के जो KMM and Jetpack Compose को production में iOS पे और Android पे publish करेंगे. But see, what is happening is we don't need iOS engineers at all now. One engineer would be developing a product for Android and iOS, shared libraries, payments इधर भी चल रही होंगे, उधर भी चल रही होंगे, log authentication एक जगह पे written code है. That would make us 3x faster. And that's where I think you just have to strive for excellence in every single department you're trying to, like, just optimize it, just see what's the best way it can be done. So like even if like from outside perspective we're technically very strong, but within inside as well we experiment with things at such a scale, and we don't dare to take risks. Even right now we're taking some incredible risk on web now. Like you see like vibe coding, right? That's a thing now. Cursor is a thing now. Lovable, Bolt, like these are like the companies who are making development very faster. Though we are product, we have a very structured code. We cannot make sure we cannot just put that up in Vercel or V0 or maybe some platform and say just start developing new features. But we found a middle ground of making sure we can ship very fast in sort of a beta structure, like where the customers get a feel that this is a beta feature, but something that would take us few months to deliver, we would be able to deliver in a week or something. Because, and I think that would give us very fast speed to go in the market and compete. So, but again, yeah, internally we invest a lot on technology.
तो मुझे बताओ कि you started this in the third semester. So was it you only?
So we, as founders, are brothers, right? Real brothers. So
Tino?
Tino, yes.
ठीक है.
My second, like I'm the, I would say like shortest one, smallest one of them. So my other founder Zain was batchmate in NUST, so we entered in the university together. And the third co-founder Amit, our elder brother, right? He was in Affinity. He graduated in 2015, 16. I don't exactly remember. From NAD Karachi. Again, since we were born in Karachi. So yeah, he was doing a job, and उस time पे we went on to realize that there is a potential. Let's do something. So third
It
semester
was
में.
Ahmed's idea या मिलके किया था कुछ?
It was potentially my idea plus Zan's idea. We were cooking something
ठीक है.
internally, but yeah, we took the decision together.
ठीक है. So where do you like? I think when did you graduate?
21.
21 graduate. So it's been 4 years, right? So for somebody who was in the university 4 years ago, I think obviously you've covered a lot of ground. So what do you think उसमें क्या factors थे main that contributed to you building this exposure and learning कि यार अच्छा मुझे अगर एक 22 million monthly active users करने हैं तो
2.5 million.
sorry 2.5 million monthly active users करने हैं. How does the technology scale? What are all the technologies that you need? You learned them on the job, maybe like from the consultants and whatnot. So like where did this sagacity or mentorship come from?
So I think the most important thing is like it usually is a DNA, right, of the people working on something, right? So we were from a very financially, I think, weak even on us we studied on merits, not merit, like need based scholarship. We
Scholarship,
couldn't pay at all. And like father used to be taxi driver for 40 years. But I think one of the things that we learned from very early on is that, you know, like in order to achieve something, because my father is like still very hardworking person. He just he doesn't work on anything, but whatever he does, he just works on it like every time he can. So I think it got an early inception care. To do something, you always have to put your all in. Even before coming to university, we started a business that was very typical to Pakistan's ecosystem. We created a sort of an education institute. We like, you know, we'll create a tuition center and we can scale it up. We tried that. We got a bunch of students because we were pretty good at, I would say, courses. We did that for 6-7 months, and like while starting the university, but we went on to realize that this is not something we could do and scale up potentially, right? This is like we're doing
Selling
something
time.
else. Yeah, we are doing something else, and like this doesn't end up really well, right? Or I think within the first semester or second semester, we were like, specifically, I used to be very outlier. Still, I think I'm one of the most outlier person if I would be sitting. So like we did 3 internships in like first to second semester के बीच में, like we were just working. So उस time पे we knew how to work very hard, and that was the only thing we knew, like यार ये करना है.
ठीक है, you get it from your father, and then where else did you get it from? कोई mentors हैं
नहीं,
जिंदगी
yeah,
के अंदर,
so-
कोई seniors थे?
बहुत सारे, like I'll come to that. So जब हमने second year में second semester के अंदर थे, so we got, I think, few people who were doing their own startups, right? So one was Imad Hassan. He is now, I think, at Google Waymo. He had his own startup called I think Travers or something like that. So that was a travel app, right? Play Store पे. The product was very good. He taught us a lot about basics of PMFs, किस तरह चीज़ें work करती हैं. Though his startup potentially ended, and he had to, you know, just join Google. In that case, had a bit of more mentors, but more in the technical side. So we had to uncover a lot of things ourselves, a lot of things. And the way we did it was, again, we read all YC, every video of them. Like we still like study a lot because, again, there's a big context difference. So the 3 years in university, we did every mistake we could do. Even after university, we just doing a lot of mistakes. We still do lots of mistakes. And that's, I think, the best way you get to learn more about care. And one of the problem is कि जिस ecosystem के अंदर हम products बना रहे हैं, जिस ecosystem की products बना रहे हैं, वो हमसे बहुत पीछे है. हम उससे बहुत पीछे हैं potentially, right? और यहाँ पे उस तरह का काम होता नहीं है. So you potentially always have to look up to different countries and different people, their podcasts, see care, what they do, and maybe read about them, more about them. In that case, so during the university, I think few people really helped us to just give a kickstart. Care, these are the basics of doing things. But the reason we took so much time to be here is because, again, we have been doing so many things that we knew would fail, but we like let's just do it, right? Like what's the point of not doing it? So that's how we got to stumble every time we fall, and like we get to learn so what not to do, what not to do.
So imagine is your 20th product, right? More or less.
Somewhere in that line, can't remember.
हाँ,
Yeah, so somewhere in that line, 20. Yeah.
ठीक है. And in when generative AI first came out, you guys I think had really viral apps in the start, but obviously like वो it was a first movers advantage और एकदम से वो इतनी saturated होने लगी थी क्योंकि the foundational models like almost everybody had access to
Yep.
them or fine tune. It
Yep.
was a fine tuning job. ठीक है, सही है. So now you're like 100% focused on कि यार हमने सिर्फ imagine पे ही काम करना है और इसको ही हमने लेके scale करना है, right?
Yeah, we are entirely focused on Imagine now. Yeah, entirely.
ठीक है. Are you guys incorporated in other
US.
countries?
US.
अच्छा, US में हो? कहाँ पे हो?
I think it would be in Arizona. Our
ठीक है, सही
banking
है.
system, everything is in US. Again, we are US.
ठीक है, सही है.
Yeah, US.
Okay. All right. So now, and let's just rewind back to when you launched your first products. I think a couple of years back. When I first heard about you guys, I think you guys did. At one point, you had an app which was doing like 600,000 daily active users or something, right?
I wish
Correct?
that was the case. Not 600,000. Like that's very big of
Monthly
a
active users होंगे.
Yep, monthly easily. Yeah.
ठीक है. Which begs the question कि यार like I've had multiple people on the podcast tell us about कि यार product market fit क्या होता है और आपने experiments कैसे run करने हैं, आपने learn कैसे करना है customers से, funding कैसे raise करनी है. All of that is covered. I'd really love to know about कि यार let's say मैंने एक किक ऐस ऐप बना लिया, मैंने product market fit मुझे पता है, मैंने 50 लोगों को दिखाई है and they love it.
Yep.
ठीक है. How do I go to market with that? Like what would you do today? Let's say I show you a kick ass application, you think यार ये इसमें बहुत potential है. How would you go to market with that product?
So for that thing, there are 3 different, I would say, OS. Okay, one is iPhone. That's something that we aren't successful at, and we
Okay.
really wish we would be. We are not successful yet on iOS. There's an Android, and then there is web.
And iOS and Android are significantly different from each other.
Very different, like
Okay.
way different than you would expect them to
Okay.
be. So we were pretty successful on Android. We're still, I think, the most successful on Android. And I think the time when we started, like 2019, right? Us time pe there were like very less competition. So you would ideally find very few apps on some specific things. So there were like the room of improvement was very big. And even if not improvements, right? The overall CAC, customer acquisition cost, was very low. And eventually we went on to realize that it was getting very difficult for even us to scale products. And I think that's why I said, like, we would have a portfolio of 12 or 13 different failed apps. And like that's not like 7 years back. That's like maybe 1.5 years back or something. Because we couldn't make it a success. The CAC and the LTV ratio wasn't too good, right? We couldn't scale it up. But ideally, if we would be starting out again, I would target iOS. That's very difficult to crack. We haven't done it yet. So maybe not the expert on that, but we know how to
Approach it.
crack it now, because we went on to realize a lot of things about the market, like which we didn't know at all about. So I think, but if you talk just about Android, I think if you're creating a mobile product, like let's just set the assumption, right? It has to target a specific niche. The worst thing about mobile is people don't understand anything. You would have to expect your users are the most naive person who's coming to the
ठीक है.
product.
Let's say हम एक केस स्टडी कर लेते हैं, ठीक है. Let's say I have a transcription app for doctor consultations, ठीक है. Let's say ऐप करती है कि I go to a doctor, मैं अपने फ़ोन को रिकॉर्डिंग पे लगा देता हूँ, हमारी जो भी बात होती है, at the end of the meeting I get a report and my loved ones get an update.
Yep.
ठीक है. Let's say ये मेरे पास है.
Yep.
How would you go to market with this? इसकी क्या निश निकालोगे?
I think there's a very small chance of getting such products successful.
अच्छा.
There's a very small chance, because
अच्छा, क्यों?
as you go more niche into the market, you have to be expert on. जितना niche जाएंगे आपको उतना marketing में expert होना पड़ेगा.
अच्छा.
And
आप वॉल्यूम पे खेल सकते हैं when
yes,
it's not a niche.
Yes.
ठीक है.
So example, if I would create a general transcription app, you can always get doctors or maybe patients to use that.
ठीक है.
But if I create a app which has a title, which has screenshots, which does everything, example for this specific perspective, I'll have to spend a lot of efforts on Meta, and my CAC would rise significantly because you're trying to target a very small niche. And then it doesn't really come out like this. You have to show creatives to those specific users. So I think an ability to create a niche, that's where SaaS exists. So anything that you do specifically for such niche markets, I think the most important place is desktops or web.
ठीक है,
Because
so you
that's-
think कि
yeah.
अगर एक generic product है, Android is the go-to platform for that.
Mobile
but
is a go-to platform for that.
if
general
it is a
product.
niche,
Yeah.
then SaaS is the bet.
Niche pay, it still works, but it's very difficult. At least in my learning so far, it's very difficult.
ठीक है, let's say हम थोड़ा सा generic कर लेते हैं. Let's say मेरे पास ट्रांसक्रिप्शन तो OpenAI भी कर देता है, वो तो मसला नहीं है. So let's
But
say
there's a big demand for that.
हाँ
Transcription has a very big demand.
हाँ, लेट्स से मैं कहता हूँ यार कि मुझे मीटिंग नोट्स लेने हैं, राइट? वो तो लाइक Fathom does it, OpenAI does it, everybody can do
That's
it.
the point. Mobile customer doesn't know about OpenAI, right?
अच्छा,
That's the biggest thing. No one knows about. Even if right now, I think if you see, when we're focused on making Imagine Art, our competitors on Turkey were focused on making ChatGPT apps. They made, you can't even imagine how much money out of that. Even right now they do a
थिन
lot.
रैपर्स बना रहे थे वो लोग.
Yes, because the customers don't know.
अच्छा,
They don't know what ChatGPT is because like, the world is made of 7 billion people, right? And एक छोटा
3 मिलियन एंड्रॉइड पे हैं.
yes, so like or even iOS पे भी I think people mobile users are the most naive. You just have to get a use case. Example, if I would say ChatGPT transcription बड़ी अच्छी करता है. Example है transcription की बात करते हैं. I speak something or I have a PDF, and I want it to be transcribed, right? Even if let's not take a use case of कि यार मैं एक PDF document input करता हूँ and I want that to be spoken out.
लेट्स से मैं एक अंग्रेजी का PDF डॉक्यूमेंट करता हूँ, मुझे उर्दू में उसको आसान करके कोई
बता
बयान
दे
कर देता
exactly
है.
right. अब ये चीज़ आपने ChatGPT पे करनी है तो और मोबाइल का मसला ही मोबाइल has a very limited screen. Even you would not prefer to use ChatGPT for the fourth time. You would try to prefer an app यार जो I open it, just click on it and just start doing what.
3 क्लिक्स में
yeah,
काम हो जाए
exactly.
मेरा. हाँ, ना मुझे प्रॉम्प्ट याद करना है, मुझे प्रॉम्प्ट
कुछ भी
लिखना
नहीं
है, मुझे वेट
right.
भी
ना
हाँ.
मुझे हिस्ट्री में जाना है ना मुझे करना है. And I think that's where those big markets have much more potential like than the smaller ones. One of the biggest thing that I see mostly is people trying to create products for such niche markets where they don't even know. And the sad thing is then they start creating for Pakistan, where no one would even pay anything, right? So in my perspective, I think it is mobile has huge potential, right? If you're able to create an app that has a solid use case, keep it very generic, so you will be able to get different users from on that product, right? And then obviously you will always see कि यार कुछ % of the कुछ customer का जो है ना segment बहुत अच्छा retain करता है. But honestly, one sad thing I would say is mobile पे every user is the same.
Every user?
Is same.
अच्छा.
Everything that we hear about product and product market fit and all the metrics, they don't apply to mobile.
अच्छा.
And if they do so, they apply to very small amount of products, like very small amount of products. Canva ho gaya, Photoroom ho gaya. Those products who are actually solving a problem. In our case, I'll just tell you one great example. So Imagine mobile is a text-to-image product, right? So image includes everything. You can generate anything with that. We went on to realize that there's a big market of people who use Imagine to generate tattoos, right? That's a, like, so we thought that this is a very small market, right? I said, उसपे तो कोई खास market ही नहीं है. और maybe इस user की retention बहुत कम होगी. That is the general presumption. कितने use कर लोगे आप? And then there were professional users as well who were generating t-shirt designs or something like that. And we went on to realize later on everyone was retaining the same. It doesn't even matter. Mobile is like very complicated. Like, I don't know, like even if you talk to people, because now we know a lot of very successful companies like who are doing more than maybe 10 mil a month on mobile specifically, right? And I think their trajectory is very same. They know. And one really great example is that what our competitors did is they created a dedicated tattoo app.
Right.
Tattoo generator.
Right.
And it is hugely successful.
Right.
So the notion is that people can do the same on ChatGPT, like much better than Imagine or maybe there. But people prefer to search for that specific keyword, right? Tattoo. Or maybe book cover or something. So mobile is like way different than we imagine. But general things is create product which is very simple. And I think we struggle with that really, really much. We don't know how to create something simple because I think simple is very difficult to do so, mostly. You just have to create a product that gives a customer value within 3 taps.
ठीक है.
just as less cognitive load as possible. So they don't even have to think around, "Kya ye karti kya hai?" And if you'll be able to do that, you'll be able to scale. Up then, how you'll be able to scale is for iOS. It's purely Meta TikTok, because iOS ka jo, because Apple is not an advertisement company, Google is an advertisement company. Android is like purely Google marketing. You can scale that up easily. But iOS Pay, it's very difficult. You'll have to create a lot of creatives. You'll have to work with influencers on Instagram, because that's like, I think, most driving.
And of course,
platform.
the LTV will be better on iOS too,
Very
right?
better, very better.
हाँ,
Yeah,
तो
very
like,
better.
it'll be worth it.
Retention is
तो
very
iOS पे करना है अगर मुझे, तो we have to go to the through the influencer route,
Yep.
through basically premium marketing channels.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
ठीक है,
और
अगर मुझे
influencers
Android
भी-
पे करना है
yeah.
तो
Android पे करना, I think Google would work for you most of the times.
Google PPC.
Yep.
ठीक है.
We
Can you
have
give
tried
me-
Meta Android as well. That doesn't really work for us in that case, but it does, not too much.
ठीक है. So let's say मुझे, so and like you say कि Android is the lowest hanging fruit in your opinion, right? For a generic product.
For a company that can make a lot more on iOS, that's the case. But for a company that cannot make anything successful on iOS, Android is still a very good platform.
Easier.
Yep.
Relatively easy, right? So अगर मुझे Android पे करना है, how do I approach it? Let's say मेरे पास AI tattoo generator है.
Yep.
ठीक है, which generates, like takes my picture, मेरी picture से और मेरी profile से, let's say social profile से, it generates a unique tattoo for
Yep.
me.
Yep.
Or I can just print that, I can download that, whatever.
Yep.
So,
So-
how would you approach the go-to-market strategy for this?
Yep. So first of all, I think you'll create a simple app. So you'll maybe not focus on giving it a profile or something. I think that's an added step. You'll try to just focus on, care. You come here. We know diffusion models are very smart, so you can just give a textual description of the tattoo you want, or you'll try to make it more simpler. Like instead of typing, you can just select a style of tattoo, right? And just write very simple thing. कि अच्छा मुझे cat tattoo चाहिए or dragon or something, right? So just very simple text prompt, maybe very visual style, so you don't have to think around it.
ठीक है. Like a form with
Yeah,
multiple options.
just a
tick, tick, tick,
prompt
next.
box like ChatGPT ka, and then few style options. Click on generate, just show them tattoo. Maybe few variations of it.
Time to first result हमने तेज करना है.
Time to first result should be few seconds, like
ठीक
4,
है.
5, 6 seconds. Results don't matter. Even if you don't use ChatGPT, it doesn't even matter. Even if you can use like the normal, maybe the very fastest but lower quality version of image generation, that would still work. People don't know about quality too much on mobile. And at that time, they'll get the value. And that's where you'll just have to obviously test where would you want the in-app purchase pop-up to show up. In our experiment, we have gone to realize, which is a very counterintuitive fact, but that's, I think, industry standard. 70% of the people who pay for your product would pay without using your product.
अच्छा.
70% of the people. That is always the case.
Nice.
So the first in-app purchase that you show after their onboarding, 70% of the people would pay there. 30% of the rest would pay after using the product or after a few days. So your chance of getting subscribed from the user is as early as possible. And the way you do it, by acquiring the right user, and I think that's why iOS is really good, because that number might go a bit up more on iOS.
हाँ, क्योंकि वो the
Because
friction नहीं
they
है.
don't even have to
हाँ.
think around paying, right? So you'll just try to devise an in-app purchase scheme that makes the user analyze this product is for them, right? Maybe use cases, because in our use case, we went on to realize people who were using the imagine for that, for people who owned, a shop where they make their customers and then they show their customers care. We talked to a lot of customers as well. They were like, our customers come, they need something unique, and we just write textual prompt, they show them, and they're like this is good, and then we do that, right?
And then for them it's a no-brainer क्योंकि उन्होंने $300-400 का tattoo बनाना है, तो like it's a dollar for them.
So, and then you'll just try to pop up an in-app purchase screen, show the value there. Industry packages are very same, weekly, yearly. I think now monthly used to be on mobile, but now there's no monthly package.
So basically अगर मुझे इसमें sell करना है तो मैं क्या करूँगा, मैं अपने competitors देखूँगा और मैं देखूँगा वो क्या कर रहे हैं, and I'll just decide my price point
बिल्कुल
around
weekly,
that.
yearly के बीच में हमने price point
क्या
decide कर
credits
लिया.
हैं उनके,
बिल्कुल
क्या
सब कुछ.
structure है, क्या generations है.
And that's it. The product is complete, right? And now the hard part would be marketing. How would you get the customers on board? Mobile पे there's no point of organic growth.
हाँ,
There's
मतलब हाँ.
end. Like even if it used to be on the Steve era 2011 में या 2010 में कि जब iPhone introduce हुआ था, maybe there was organic, but there's no organic growth. There's no term of 4.9 rating and you'll grow in the market. Like that's a forgot thing now. Google used to be giving a lot of organic, but now Google is like very hard. Google would only give organic to companies who are spending millions minimum. And I think that's good for them as well because they know that's the only way a quality developer would go on top.
हाँ राइट.
जो अगर मिलियन स्पेंड
हाँ.
करे वो प्रोडक्ट पे भी उतना अच्छा स्पेंड करेगा.
हाँ.
पहले गूगल को सबसे बड़ा जो आई थिंक मसला था वो यही था कि इट इज़ अ प्लेटफॉर्म वेयर पीपल डोंट फाइंड गुड क्वालिटी एप्स. द एप्स दैट वर ऑन नंबर 1 रैंकिंग वर नॉट डूइंग देयर वर्क एट ऑल.
Copycats हो गए.
Yes, बहुत सारा.
Templated हो गए. हाँ.
So Google started going in the direction of Apple, right? So now it's like yeah, you have to invest a lot.
Pay to play चल
Pay
रहा
to
है.
play. And then the concept of predicted ROI comes in play, right? You have to invest, but you won't get $1 back. So if you're acquiring a customer, for example, X amount, the maximum, if your product is really good, you'll make a 0.8x at D0 or D1, day one. But you'll make maybe 1.2 or 1.3 ROI based on the product and like everything over the next time, right? Maybe a few months or maybe yearly or something, right? Depending on how you structure your packages. And then it's a money game. If you have more money, you can take debt or maybe revenue-based financing, just go invest millions on that, scale it up. That's the strategy. I'm talking not about the novice because, a person who's just running, but that's what anyone who's successful is doing that right now. They're investing
ठीक है.
a lot.
So let's say अगर मुझे imagine would be very huge. Let's say मुझे if I'm eyeing for 20 to 50,000 downloads per month, what would my spend look like?
Depends on how targeted you're trying to get the installs from.
हाँ, just give me a ballpark. So
Right.
let's say यही product है, AI tattoo generator ही है.
On Android, it's like very cheap. 50,000 per month. That would devise to be 1.5 to 2,000 per day. $300 per day or something.
ठीक है.
You can do the monthly
महीने के
calculation.
अंदर 9,000 10,000 डॉलर के अंदर.
Easy.
ठीक है. And then if your product is good, if your in-app purchases are great, so you will probably make 5 to 6,000 in the first month, and then you keep on improving your product और churn कम करते जाएं, and then hopefully it becomes a revenue machine for you.
Yep. Potentially.
So the game in mobile essentially is कि यार आपने अपना वो CAC versus LTV है,
बिल्कुल.
right? And then आप value देते जाएं, subscriptions को retain करते जाएं, ऐसा करते जाएं.
और इसीलिए iOS is more preferable because वहाँ पे subscriber retain ज़्यादा करता है.
हाँ.
But the only part challenging is how do you get the customers? Because Apple का अपना जो App Store Connect है या Apple Search Ads है, they're very expensive.
अच्छा.
Like even each user CAC would be above $100,
Oh.
and your product LTV would never be higher than $100.
Right. And then they also take 30% of the.
वो तो Apple Android भी लेता है, Google भी लेता है.
Android भी इतना ही करता है.
30%.
अच्छा.
Same. Apple does the same as well.
ठीक
So
है.
उसके अंदर फिर Instagram game. If you're a Gen Z, I think that like the chance of making a product successful is way higher because you know the trends, you know how to create, marketing material. And now I think with Gen AI, there are a lot of
हाँ,
softwares.
अब तो मुझे लगता है कि UGC
like
generative AI
solve-
UGC is
solve.
great. What's so solved that you'll be
Solve.
able to do that, or maybe like TikTok marketing as well, right?
Same. Meta, TikTok, both are like very good performing channels.
ठीक है. So मोबाइल ऐप के लिए तो ये करेंगे.
Yep.
अगर मुझे अपनी SaaS को करना है, गुड. एक मिनट इससे पहले. You're telling me कि यार मुझे पहले ऐप भी बनानी है. पहले जैसे 3 महीने लगा के मैंने ऐप बनाई. 3 महीने होपफुली नहीं लगाए मैंने. 2 हफ्ते लगा के मैंने MVP बनाया और मैंने $10,000 भी लगाए. Like the minimum, like the table stakes amount is $10,000, right? So अगर मेरे पास इतने नहीं है, so you would just suggest people to then drop it and save the money and or maybe like sharpen their skills, sharpen their axe more and then come and play this game, या उनके लिए कोई एक beginner step या lesser capital intensive step भी है.
Don't invest 10K in starting pay, right? Just spend maybe $100. The problem with these advertising platforms is it takes few weeks for the campaigns to optimize. So it would take 7, 8, 9, 10 days with a good budget so that their algo is optimized for the users, right? Once it start acquiring users, Google और Apple will analyze कर कौन सा यूज़र के परचेज करता है, उस टाइप के टारगेट को कैसे वो सेगमेंट कैसे करेगा. But I think my say would be कि if you are really serious about building something great on mobile, you would have to experiment, maybe lose some money in that process. And I know it's difficult. We started with 30,000 per month that we had for the entire company, right? So maybe I'm not. So there's nothing impossible, right? You can always do something by adjusting the scales. Like you don't have. And our first payout was 10,000 rupees. I still remember, and we were really excited about it. We never made the company for money. Like that's a very entire different story about how.
वो एक अलग discussion.
Yeah,
हाँ.
but you can still do it. Like there are a lot of companies and there are a lot of people who start from very small, but they're able to target something which is like very trendy. So trendy होता है आपका CAC बहुत गिर जाता है. Like by factors. So अभी OpenAI का Ghibli style was like very trending. if you ever had a product there, and if you had good creatives, you would be acquiring users for as low as people who are converting to the product, as low as maybe $8, and then their LTV is $24. So there are like a lot of tactics around, but जब वो आप market में आते हो तो आप बहुत कुछ समझते हो. You'll have to fail a lot to analyze this market. But I do think even if you don't have money, you can still do a lot. But it's just a matter of how much time you can spend to analyze the algorithms, and how much you understand the market. But there's no like, I don't think that's you have to spend 10K to get started. I don't think that's the case. I'm saying 10K just because if you have a company, or if you can spend 10K on that. But there are a lot of other ways. They might take time, but you'll always uncover some products, some niches. And mobile के ऊपर एक और अच्छी चीज़ है कि it's not about subjected to one product, right? You don't have to create one product to. Do you know about Voodoo? Yeah, do you know about game companies, crazy games?
Catch apps वगैरह.
So their goal is that's the very same thing as mobile apps. Their mobile apps, we used to realize that it is different, but now it's same. You just have to keep experimenting with prototypes.
Oh, but they are a publisher ना, मतलब they don't build the apps themselves. They're just a distribution company.
नहीं, Voodoo does build the app themselves as well.
अच्छा.
Supersonic Games is from Israel, right? They have a lot of great marketing or maybe overall informational material on YouTube. We went on to realize that they'll experiment a lot. They are a publisher as well. They accept games as well, but they build things on themselves as well. And so you have to always experiment with prototypes, and some prototype will work. You don't even know how is that working, but that somehow catches the market, and then you get some campaigns that can scale to millions, and like that works. So mobile के ऊपर ये चीज़ important है कि if something doesn't work, you don't have to. We have done it 4 times. We have been married to products for 2 years, and until get to point ये work नहीं कर सकता because that doesn't work out in the market. So you always have to experiment something new. Maybe something will work out, something won't work out. But again, that's a delicate balance.
ठीक है. सो ये तो हो गया मोबाइल पे. लेट्स से मुझे SaaS बिल्ड करनी है और मुझे हाइपर नैरो कोई SaaS बिल्ड करनी है. उसकी गो टू मार्केट स्ट्रैटेजी इससे डिफरेंट कैसे होगी?
SaaS में अच्छी चीज़ है कि प्रोडक्ट मैटर्स द मोस्ट. मोबाइल पे इट्स 100% इनवर्स. Doesn't even
distribution matters.
Yes, mobile पे distribution is everything, right? Web पे it's all about the product. Everything about the product. Because one customer will come in. If your product is really good, they'll always tell about the second customer about your product, right? And the fire somehow spreads. Somehow always spread, right? But I'm saying if your product is actually really good. So I think on SaaS, you should always focus on building a PLG, product-led growth. Just focus on building something which is very good. You will always figure out a distribution channel, whether it be LinkedIn, whether it be Google. But Google is a big player. Very big, right? Like I think PPC works very well on web as well. Very well.
But it's very expensive.
So might be expensive, but maybe not. So in our case, it's not really expensive. Like we do a lot of marketing on web as well. It's not too expensive. But if your product is really good, and it should be super niche focus, it's very inverse on web. Because if a customer, so example, if you're making a product, for example, a transcription, like, Otter, there are a lot of products. If you do one thing very good, right? The customer LTV would be like even 10x higher. And we have seen this, right?
And the customer on web would be way more informed.
Yep.
When they come on your landing page.
And I think a lot of things about building philosophy changes. Mobile, but you have to learn about how to be very simple around going things. Because there's a very small screen. Because we have done that. It's so difficult to think.
Big buttons,
yeah,
easy.
You cannot you'll have to spend weeks planning out the bottom navigation, right? Because the customers won't find it. But on the desktop, it's an inverse story. You don't have to think around कि अब grade का button ऊपर डालना है, bottom पे डालना है, because customers will always figure that out. So you always have to focus on building the main core feature. And I think we haven't seen कि customers बहुत ज़्यादा complain करें आपके feature की navigation के बारे में, unless it's not super terrible. It doesn't really matter. So it's all about solving something for an end customer which is facing that problem. And if your product does that really well, and if your conversion funnel is good, like you tell the customer that this time you should pay, maybe anything that you export through this platform, you cannot use it commercially, but you can use it personally. It's like it hooks se aap customers ko always connect kar sakte ho. Distribution channel, I think there are a lot. Google is one of them. LinkedIn works really well. Meta also works, but I think, and there's a very good organic route on web. Even if you just build SEO very good on web, you'll always get a lot of niched customers. अब वो customer वो होगा जो search करे उस चीज़ को. Like
वो high intent search.
वो high intent होगा, वो आएगा, वो देखेगा platform को, it works really well. उसकी positioning वो उसी तरह defined है. They'll just convert directly. So I think in my perspective, it's much better to build SaaS than anything on mobile, because LTV, user churn rate, is significantly better. In every KPI, it's better than mobile. Every KPI. Mobile is sort of an easy market, but the point is with easy market is like there's so much competition.
बैरियर टू एंट्री नहीं है, हर कोई कर रहा है.
China,
तो, yeah.
Vietnam, you don't even know how many studios there are, and like they have got the manpower so much. You like, and they're shipping things like so fast, and you feel like yeah, everything that they have already done. On SaaS, I think a lot of they have very less players. And again, I think one of the great thing, if you can see this, is Stripe key, the overall fee would be 2% or maybe 1.5%.
Right.
So everything that you make goes to you directly, right? It's not 30% Google or something, right?
You are kind of like deplatforming them.
Yep.
Right from day one, right?
Yep.
You own your own customers and
Yep.
traffic. ठीक है, सही है. Interesting. ठीक है. So you've already told me what's next for Viro. Okay, you guys, what's next for Imagine? That you guys are looking for a funding और ये कर रहे हो सारा कुछ. तो यही, is that your singular focus? Is that where the company is headed या क्या करना है आगे?
Hopefully, we I think that so that's the goal entirely, right? We become a synonym of Imagine Art, or maybe we call ourselves Imagine Art. But anything great in life is to be done by focus, right? So we underestimated focus a lot, even though we follow Steve a lot, right? But we went on to think around here, maybe even if you're not too focused, you can always build something great. But we went on to realize that if you're doing one thing 7 days a week, and just doing it, that you get to build things which are so small, maybe small things that maybe normal user won't even perceive them, but they're so important to the platform. And all the great platforms that we use have done that. Otherwise, we won't be using them, right? We won't be using Jira or Linear if they wouldn't have an entire focus building one thing and making sure everything works in place for that. But yeah, I think as a company, we are entirely focused on Imagine. Imagine ki cheez easy hai ki since it's a suite, there'll be a lot of mobile products associated with that suite. And we have spent the last year making sure that if you purchase on mobile, you'll be able to get subscription of the web platform. And if you purchase on web, you'll be able to get a subscription of mobile platform.
And you can spin it off into smaller packages as well, right? So agar wo koi
Yeah,
different studios
definitely,
hai,
yes.
It's easy to unbundle it and then make that a product of its
And
own.
Imagine ki cheez easy hai ki anything that you purchase, example on Image Studio, you'll be able to use the same credits everywhere on the platform.
Achha, theek hai.
And what we went on to realize that even as a company right now, we are subscribed to more than 30 tools. And that's the same story about every platform. I think that would be the same for you as well. Like every platform, like Kling to some extent, koi either pay sab match, koi alag pay kar hai. So I realized that it's a very big hustle for finance team, right? And most of those platforms don't even support team plans. So example, 30 platforms, and they're all doing everything in content domain, right? Because now we know videos and itni badi domain hai. और हर प्लेटफॉर्म के अंदर डिफरेंट टाइप का टीम प्लान्स हैं, कहीं कोई सपोर्ट करता है, फिर कोई पर सीट सपोर्ट करता है. तो वी वेंट ऑन टू रियलाइज कि इफ़ वी आर एबल टू कंसोलिडेट मोस्ट ऑफ द यूज केसेस विद एन इमेजिन आर्ट इन अ वेरी ग्रेट वे, and if we introduce team plans across all studios, and if we give them access to mobile apps, so if you're not on desktop, you can just continue your project right on mobile. There's a big market. So yeah, that's something we're on to.
All right, ठीक है. That is very exciting. और and what does that mean for your team? You think you'd be able to pull all of this off with the current team? Yeah, but is it going to significantly change if you have to go against Kriya, for example?
Yeah.
So is this team going to stay the same?
That's one of the most difficult questions, I think.
Yeah, because part of the आज ही I was at UET, I was talking to these students. तो पहला सवाल मेरे हर जगह पे जाके जी पाकिस्तान में सर्विसेज कंपनीज इतनी ज़्यादा क्यों है, प्रोडक्ट कंपनीज इतनी ज़्यादा क्यों नहीं है. एंड एज यू सेड, इट इज़ अ ह्यूज स्ट्रगल टू लिटरली अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ अ पर्सन इन द US. लेट्स से जिसका टैटू स्टूडियो है, लाइक यू हैव टू कैच अप टू देम टू बी एट पार विद द वर्ल्ड, राइट? सबसे पहले तो आपने ज़ीरो पे आना है ना. हम तो यहाँ पे हैं.
Yep.
वी डोंट नो उनकी रियलिटी क्या है, उनको कस्टमर सर्विस कैसे मिलती रही है, उनके स्लैंग्स क्या हैं, उनके टैटूज़ की डोमेन के अंदर हमें तो बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं पता. ठीक है, अलोन. तो देयर इज़ दैट. बी देयर इज़ लाइक डेथ ऑफ टैलेंट, ऑफ कोर्स वो तो है ही है. 3 देयर इज़ दिस वर्क एथिक थिंग कि यार हमारा वर्क एथिक डिफरेंट होता है with our competitors. So let's say if your competitor is in वियतनाम है, चाइना में है, तो उधर तो उनको वर्क एथिक का कोई मसला ही नहीं है,
Yep.
ठीक है। दे नो कि यार वो 14 आवर्स वर्क वीक्स 14 आवर वर्क डे भी होगा ना तो लोग शायद 7 दिन भी कर लें।
बिल्कुल।
वी आर डिफरेंट इन दैट सेंस। तो in terms of the team, do you think it has to go more international now that you're head to head with, let's say, the market leader in this space? या तुम्हें लगता है कि यार you'd be able to build this team in Pakistan which is going to be an outlier and which is going to
I think, yeah,
outperform the other teams?
yeah, it all depends on, I think, the level of funds if we raise, right? So anyone who we have talked, even who have built, I think, great companies from Pakistan, they tell one thing, it's pretty straight up. The talent that you need to do this isn't here, right? So, and we know that that's the case, right? That is actually really the big case. So I think if we do pull off the good investment round, right, our goal would definitely be, right, to be at a place where we can find great talent, right? That is there for sure. But if we talk about the current team, I think what we have been able to do with here was not possible. That is literally the word I would say.
मतलब
Because
2
it's,
साल पहले अगर कोई और तुम्हारे से पूछता है यार would it be possible with a Pakistani
I would
team,
say
you
no.
would have said no.
I would say no,
ठीक
right?
है।
Because it's extremely difficult. And I think one of the reason is, and I think that's very counterintuitive, right? Consider a country of 300 million people, right? How come you cannot have maybe more than 10 product-based companies who are actually exporting products to the world? And you certainly, and it's not like startups are not popping up. Like,
हाँ,
there are a lot of startups popping up every day. Even, when we were in incubation, we were working with more than 20 startups. All of them failed in 6 months, like this. And the simple answer was, we were there like 7 days a week, 14, 15 hours a day, and they were not there even on 5 days a week. And we went on to realize, are they even building startups? Are they even doing something?
you talk to YC, you listen to Michael Siebel and all
Yep.
those guys, ठीक है। वो कहते हैं यार कि हम जब भी इंटरव्यू लेते हैं और हम जब भी लाइक उनके वो जो एक बड़ा मतलब वेरी फेमस एंड नोटोरियस वो जो बुलेट राउंड होता है फाउंडर्स का, जिसमें दे जस्ट कीप ऑन
Yep.
थ्रोइंग क्वेश्चंस, कहते हैं यार कि वी नो कि 90% ऑफ दीज कंपनीज आर नॉट गोइंग टू स्टे द सेम इन 2 years। तो हम तो प्रोडक्ट या आइडिया पे करते ही नहीं है इंटरव्यू, हम तो करते ही फाउंडर पे बैठे हैं या उसकी वर्क एथिक पे या उसके एटीट्यूड पे या उसकी यूनिक एडवांटेज के ऊपर करते हैं,
बिल्कुल।
फाउंडिंग टीम पे करते हैं। सो
बिल्कुल।
इट्स ऑलमोस्ट नेवर द आइडिया, राइट?
You'll always end up after a few years something different than you were thinking. Always. It's never the
हाँ,
case a company started with the same vision and it pulls it off. It never. It might be the case sometimes, but I think if it took Steve Jobs 40 years to build the final version of Apple, 40 years, pivots and pivots and pivots, right? So I think for a normal person, it would always be the case. You'll always have to pivot to something else. It's all about how obsessed you are about doing this thing. So I think I totally agree with the perspective. How we were able to do it within the country, I think we went on to realize pretty soon that you have to work with people who really want to do something in their lives. And I think in Pakistan that's a thing, and that's an unfortunate thing, honestly. Like, you'll have to ask people, do you really want to do something in your life? And I think most of the people they don't have a defined answer to that. Even if they're graduating from university, they'll say, oh, I'm just trying to see what I want to do, or maybe I want to do something quite decent, right? Because growing up in university, I was of the very same point of view that you have to be really different than everyone else. You have to have a strong passion for something. Whether it be football, you just have to do it with all your might. It doesn't matter you fail or not, but you have to do everything with your all might. So because I have done more than 1,500 interviews, maybe more than that, we went on to realize that the definition of purpose is so unclear to most of the people here. And then you quickly get to realize that so Steve की एक बड़ी favorite line थी, वो कहता था कि you have to be different to use Apple, right? And that's a customer perspective. So if a customer has to be different to use Apple, what would be the case for people who are building those things? They would be
obviously they have to
best,
be the best.
incredible in what they do. So I think when we went on to realize that, so we started hiring those people who really wanted to do something big in their lives, right? Like, and they were super humble to go there, ready to learn. Like, that's the most important thing, right? if someone wants to do something big, they will always be ready to learn. They would always be looking for, क्या मैं किससे क्या learn कर सकता हूँ. If someone can teach me something, can improve me in my any way possible, they would be really happy to do that, right? And I think we have got, in Pakistan, we have got one of the best teams. I would still say the floor that we have is full with one of the best people in the country. And it's very difficult. We even moved to Lahore for a year. We opened like 8,000 square feet office here. I moved personally to Lahore for a year to just find the best talent, because Islamabad has a very scarcity of talent always, because it's a new city potentially. But we were able to pull those people from here. Like, we have literally done struggle for the last 5 years to get the best resources to work on site in Islamabad. And I think now we have got one of the best teams. But the point is, like, if you want your product to grow 10x, and that's a favorite quote from one of the entrepreneurs that I follow, right? If you want your product to grow at 10x every year, every team member in your team have to improve themselves by 100x. So what that means is, if consider I'm an engineer or I'm a product designer or someone, right? If I want my product to grow, which should be the goal of the company, I would have to improve myself every single day about efficiency, about doing how to approach the problems and everything, right? And we've been fortunate enough to work with a lot of international people, right? Great people. And I think there's a big difference in the way, they go around doing things. But one of the things I think which is very important is that ability to be really humble in the learning and just going crazy about doing that specific thing and improving yourself every day. They're very open to critique. And I think that is what we had to really struggle, We had to listen really bad words said about Viro. People still say a lot of things about Viro. And I think that's the price you have to pay if you are trying to do something which is never, or maybe done before, but with very rare people. And we know all of those people who have done something great from the country. We know, like, our friends with them, we sit with them a lot. And I think the only answer is that you just have to focus on building something great. And to build something great, you always have to have great people. And for that means you'll have to get people who you'll have to retrain about how they always wanted to go around things. Obviously, you're also learning side by side, because no one knows everything, right? You're always learning. But I think what we have been able to do was quite difficult. Not really proud to say that we have done that. I don't think we have done anything yet. But if I talk about generally, I think that is something, if you want to compete with any country that we are trying to aim for, consider even India, right? Not talk about Israel or US, right? Though they are not competable. It's our maybe dream wish that we could ever compete with them. We cannot. Even if we look at a very neighboring country, India, right? They're very different. They work ethics. Their attitude is very different. I've worked personally with quite a few of them. We have great mentors from India, from AWS, right? Because again, we have worked with them in short period of time. They're very different, right? And that has to do with the whole culture thing, right? They're very positive generally, but you won't see. So, if, for example, you're doing something, right, you won't see a lot of people being very genuinely happy about you doing something different. People are generally not, and it's not just everyone; it's even us, right? We are just conditioned in a way that appreciation is something that we don't have too much for anyone doing something good in their life, right? And I think we all have to work really hard if we have a goal of saying कि यार इस country से और products or maybe unicorns बने. I wish we could have more unicorns so we can learn from them. They can teach us. Zoho, if you talk about India, they have 100 plus unicorns, right? If you talk about Israel, they have 100 plus unicorns. Every street in Israel have a unicorn. 3 unicorns in every street. Like and a country size of 10 million. Like that's a big statement, right? But again, I think we were pretty fortunate enough to work with great people. We were fortunate enough to be really blessed with an opportunity where we could put all our efforts in and be really obsessed about building that.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. Agreed. I totally agree with you कि अगर आपके ख्वाब extraordinary हैं तो why do you expect कि आपकी efforts ordinary हो सकती हैं उसकी, right? It doesn't make mathematical sense even कि if you've got 5 people, all of which are putting the same effort, why do you expect the results to be different? लाइक एट मैक्सिमम हो सकता है आप कॉम्पिटेंस या टैलेंट की वजह से थोड़ा सा ऊपर चले जाएं, बट यू गॉट टू पुट इन द आवर्स
Yeah.
फॉर श्योर. Nobody ever did anything with work life balance मेरे ख्याल से. Like nobody we ever know who ever did
Yeah.
something extraordinary, they never did it with the work life balance.
Anyone you would know would already be doing something very different. Anyone you would know.
हाँ बिल्कुल. और इवन इफ यू आस्क देम ना, इवन दे वुडंट से कि यार मैंने वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस से किया या लक से हो गया. दे पुट इन द आवर्स.
Yep.
So yeah, I hope कि by virtue of this talk and by your story and your hopefully like these really exciting plans, somebody can understand and just take it to heart and maybe do something amazing with their life as well. ठीक है, we're towards the tail end of this. It was really phenomenal talking to you about this. मुझे बताओ, is there anything you want to say? Anything that you learned that somebody can learn from you?
Yep. I think when I was in my 4th semester, right, 2nd year, I did go to Google Singapore as part of one of their internship programs, right? Not formal internship, but sort of internship program. And like they have a very big headquarter in Singapore, like they're like the Asia Pacific headquarter. And when I was there, and I had a lot of mentors from Google back then. They were all convincing me to not do startup because they knew the reality. One was Umar Farooq. He was from UET. He was in Google Canada. He said like, don't do it. Like I would really suggest you to start with big company. And I think anyone in life has never achieved anything with having a lot of goal oriented behavior, or maybe something result oriented behavior. You always have to trust in the process. You always have to listen and believe in what you're trying to do. And even in the most extreme situations, right? And like so, and like one of those, in that case, I would say that even my father. And so, what happened was like after that ended, right? I had an option of giving, because 99% of the time, even if you submit your resume to Google, they won't invite you from Pakistan. Like that's the case. Even if you're the most brilliant people, I know a lot of brilliant people. They did with 4 GPA, no one invites them. So with the virtue of the sort of thing that I did with Google, they were able to put me potentially in the second last interview round. That was just the coding thing, nothing else. And I had 7 months to prepare, and I didn't even spend a day doing anything for it. All that being from a family which is not really financially stable in that case, because I never was. And after obviously seeing the headquarter of Google, which eventually I went few times, because again we went on to be very big partners of Google in terms of business. We spent a lot with them. So eventually I went on to realize that it is very easy to take easy decisions, and there are very less people in life that take hard decisions because they genuinely are excited about them. So the thing that I want to say is that if you have something that you believe in, right, that you think that has genuine potential, right, there is no one in the whole world who can tell you it's not possible. Even if anyone great like Steve or Elon is sitting and saying it's not possible, it doesn't matter, right? If you genuinely believe in something, and if you're genuinely working very hard to achieve that, you'll very always do something that would be aligned with the vision that you have set forward. There's nothing of a term impossible that I think is there, right? So you always have to have very big ambitions, right? And never let anyone tell you, even if they're the experts in the field, right? Even if they have done something really big in the fields, to tell you like this is not possible, or maybe this is something that you're trying. If you have got the guts, if you have got everything within you, that is, and I think the only thing that you need is perseverance, right? Like just pure intensity and pure, everything, I would say, part of your skin geared towards doing that thing. I don't think there is anything that is difficult. And in Viro, we have done always things that are the most difficult. And I think that's why I think we would be the company that takes the most risks. We have taken so much risks that no sane person would ever do so. We have even left $1 million opportunities on the table. And we don't have even 0% regret of that, because that doesn't matter. But if you try to do something which is very difficult every single day, right, you would almost reach something very near to that. And I think the only thing I would say is I was listening to Jensen from NVIDIA, right? And I think one of the things I really liked about what he said was, okay, I've stopped asking myself how hard it is. Now I ask myself only how hard it can be. So as an entrepreneur, I think that's the only thing. Like, it's your potential is unlimited. What you can do is unlimited. Geographies can obviously, like location is a big factor in your success, but if you're geo-logged here, consider in that case, I still think like there is nothing that you cannot do. There's always something that you can do so big if you have a right attitude of doing things, and if you're not too much focused on the end goal. So example, everyone who starts a business or does anything has a very defined end goal. I want to make money out of it, right? And if you're the only, that's the only thing that you're working on, you won't make anything out of it. So you always have to focus on the process, and you have to believe in everyday grind that you go through towards it. Even if it's years or even months, it can be anything, right? But I think you just should. And the reason that you said ki we are not able to create great examples out of the country, not just in the entrepreneurship or in the business domain, I think it's because we are all forced to do the same thing. We are all doing engineering now. The whole country is doing engineering, right? Do you expect everyone to be really great at it? Not everyone's strengths in engineering. Someone is an artist, right? Someone is a great footballer. Someone is maybe a great musician. If you put everyone in the same bucket, and if you ask all of them to do one thing, because that's the only thing that you can make anything out of your career, if you're doing that thing, because any other thing doesn't have any potential in the country, you won't expect greatness out of it, right?
Mhm.
But again, I think if you tend to do something with a great vision, a great belief, and you just do it every single day with the focus of doing it, I think there's so much you can do, which you don't even know about yourself. And at the worst, right, even if you fail, I think failure is greatly misjudged in the country. I think great failures are really good for you to realize that you can be very wrong almost every time.
Mhm.
But even if you fail, you'll get to learn so much about yourself and so much about the thing that you have been doing, that it will always help you in something other in life. Failures never go to waste. They always teach you something that would always help you either in your personal life or in your professional life to do maybe more.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. Thank you so much for your time. It was really nice talking to you. And with that, thank you so much for watching this episode. If you have any feedback on us changing a little bit of our niche on the podcast, so please enter it below. नीचे comments वाले section में जाकर हमें detail में बताएं. If you like this episode and if you like us changing a little bit of focus from narrowly tech to now entrepreneurship and businesses. And with that, thank you so much for watching this episode, and I'll see you in the next one.